Hey everyone! Welcome back to BugNoJutsu, your go-to channel for breaking down LeetCode problems and mastering data structures and algorithms step by step. In today's video, we're diving into LeetCode 3541, Find Most Frequent Vowel and Consonant. This is an easy yet insightful problem that strengthens your understanding of counting frequencies and handling different categories of characters. Even though it looks simple, it's a great way to practice pattern recognition and optimization techniques. The problem gives you a string S consisting of lowercase English letters. Your task is to identify two things. The vowel with the highest frequency. Remember, vowels here are A, E, I, O, and U. The consonant with the highest frequency. Consonants are simply all the other letters that are not vowels. Once you find these two maximum frequencies, you just add them together and return the sum. A couple of special rules are also important. If there are no vowels in the string, then the vowel frequency should be treated as 0. Similarly, if there are no consonants, then the consonant frequency is 0. If multiple vowels or consonants share the same maximum frequency, you can pick any one of them, since we only care about the sum of their counts, not the specific letters. This problem is an excellent warm-up for mastering character counting, a common pattern you'll see in many string-related problems. Let's take the example. S equals 6 S's. First, list out the frequencies of each character. S appears 4 times. U appears 1 time. C appears 2 times. E appears 2 times. Among vowels, U and E, the highest frequency is 2, from E. Among consonants, S and C, the highest frequency is 4, from S. Finally, add them together, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. That's why the output is 6. This step-by-step breakdown ensures that even if there are multiple vowels or consonants with the same counts, you can confidently pick one without affecting the answer. The approach I used here is very straightforward and efficient. First, I created a counter, a frequency map, to count how many times each character appears in the string. This gives me the frequency of every letter in one quick pass. Next, I prepared a set of vowels for quick lookup. This way, I can easily check if a character is a vowel or consonant without writing multiple conditional checks. Then, I iterated through all unique characters in the frequency map. For each character, I checked whether it's a vowel or not. If it's a vowel, I updated my maximum vowel frequency if needed. If it's a consonant, I updated my maximum consonant frequency. At the end, I simply added these two maximum values, one from vowels and one from consonants, and returned the sum as the final answer. This method is efficient, clean, and easy to understand. It ensures that no extra work is done, and the problem is solved in just 2 main passes over the data, one for counting and one for finding the maximums. Time complexity, O, n, where n is the length of the string. We traverse the string once to count the frequencies and then loop through at most 26 characters to find the maximum values. This is optimal because every character must be checked at least once. Space complexity, O, 1. Although we use a counter to store frequencies, the number of lowercase letters is fixed at 26. So even for very large strings, the space used does not grow beyond a constant amount. This problem reinforces the frequency counting pattern, which is a critical skill for many string and array problems on LeetCode. Recognizing vowels and consonants separately is a small twist that tests your ability to categorize elements efficiently. Problems like this are great practice for more advanced topics such as hash maps, sliding windows, and character grouping. Also, note how using a set for vowels speeds up membership checks. This is a technique you can reuse in similar scenarios. Another subtle insight is that by treating missing categories, like no vowels or no consonants, as 0, you avoid unnecessary conditional logic later. And that's it for LeetCode 3541, Find Most Frequent Vowel and Consonant. This is a simple yet powerful example of how mastering the basics, like frequency maps, can make more complex problems much easier down the line. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BugNoJutsu, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another problem explanation. Share this video with your friends who are also grinding LeetCode, and let's keep improving together, one problem at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.